Hey everyone, my name is Eitan, and welcome to Expanding JavaScript. So today in this video, I'm going to show you an advanced version of the lodash flow function, which, in case you're not familiar, lodash flow function is it takes a list of functions and then it returns another function that takes a value and pipes the value through all those functions. So in case you didn't get that, I'm going to show it to you. Okay. So in case you didn't get that, I'm going to explain it to you. So the first function is just a function that adds up its arguments. That's it. The second function is a function that takes a value and doubles that value. So we're taking so what we're doing is and then we're combining those two functions with flow. So first we're passing in two values, 2 and 3. We're adding it, we get 5. We're doubling it, we get 10. And that's what we got 10. So it's taking the values and piping it through the list of functions. And that's basically what the lodash what the flow function does. So now what we're gonna do is now let's say, what if you want to add conditions to this function? So meaning what if you want to add a condition, let's say, okay, so this is a function that takes a value and tells you if the value equals 10. Okay. What if you want to pipe the value through a list of functions, but not to all the functions, only until the condition returns true, and then just return the value? So what if you have a list of functions, but you want to pipe the value only until the condition returns true? So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to add conditions to the flow function. Okay. So first, before we do that, I'm just gonna rewrite the flow function. I'm rewriting flow using the array reduce method, and then we're gonna add conditions to it. So just hold on a second. I'm gonna explain what's going on. Okay, we got the same results. So this function, this flow is pretty straightforward. So we're taking a list of functions, and then we're returning a value x, and then we're calling the iterator on the accumulator. So the iterator being the next function list. So each iteration is going to call the next function on the accumulator. That's pretty straightforward. Now we're going to add conditions. I'm going to show you how to add conditions. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what's happening here. So right now, okay, so we're putting in the values 2 and 3. Then we're adding it, we get 5. We're doubling it, we get 10. Adding 5, we should get 15. But once is 10 returns true, it just returns a value. So it stops at this function because is 10 returns true. So it doesn't go to all the functions, doesn't go to add 5. It stops when the condition returns true. Now I'm going to explain how this works. So and it's pretty straightforward. So we just put in if statements. That's all. So if the condition on the accumulator returns true, we just return the accumulator, and that's it. And that is how you add conditions to the flow function. So thank you. Thanks for watching, and be safe.